Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the following presentation of Marble League Baseball. Today, the matchup, the Sons of Pitches against the Untouchaballs. First up, we have Rosie Coleman, shortstop. Here comes pitch number 1. That's going to be a curveball. Hit gets past second base, into the outfield, and just outside of the arms of right field. Right field is not going to get there in time, and that's going to be safe for a base hit. Caleb Hopkins, pitch number 1, another curveball. Again, goes out into the outfield, turns away from center field. Let's see. Center field's going to get there and make the throw to second base in time for out number 1. Maddox Thatcher, right field. Here comes the pitch. Curveball. Ooh! And the pitcher knocks it down, but not before it gets past first and second base. Second baseman's going to get there, make the throw to first for out number 2, but the runner moves to second base. Abdi McDaniel. Fastball. Deep right field. Ooh, and just before the wall. We now have a run scored, and Abdi McDaniel's going to get a stand-up triple RBI. Elise Swan, catcher, comes to the plate. Pitch number 1's a fastball. Ooh, makes it out to deep center once again. And our center fielder is going to make the play. Throws to second, but not in time. Runners on first and second. And Afsana Radical Reed comes to the plate. Pitch number 1, another fastball. Going deep. Oh, just missed the home run again. But that is going to move the runners and score another run. Zara Baxton now comes to the plate. Here's the pitch. Ooh, called strike 1. And here comes pitch number 2. Ooh! Strike 2. Here's the 0-2 pitch. Curveball. And the right fielder makes the play for out number 3. That's the end of the top of the first inning, and up to bat comes the Untouchaballs. Down 3-0. Vihan Fuller comes to the plate. Gets the curveball. Second base is going to knock it down, and it's going to land in shallow right field. Second baseman's going to get the ball and make the throw, but not in time, and that's going to be a base hit. Martin LeBlanc, strike 1. Here comes the second pitch. Strike 2. 0-2. Ooh, and it just gets down for a fastball. And it's going to get to deep right field. The right fielder's going to get the ball, make the throw, but not in time at second base. No outs. Runners at first and second. Cameron Lee, fastball. Goes again to deep right field. This is going to be another base hit. The right fielder's making the play on the ball. makes the throw to second, but not in time. A run scores. That's going to be an RBI double. Karina Norris. Fastball. Pitcher knocks it down. And right field makes the catch for out number 1. Rebecca Washington. Curveball. Makes it into deep right field again. All the batters are heading that way today. Right field's going to grab the ball, make the throw to first, not in time. Runners at the corners, 1 out, and Beverly Hall steps to the plate. Pitch number 1. Fastball. Look at that thing sail. Gone for a home run. That's going to be a 3-run shot for Beverly Hall. She makes her way around the bases. It's a very impressive hit for the first game. The Untouchaballs now take a lead of 5-3. Jethro Justice comes to the plate. Only 1 out. Gets the curveball. That's going to land just outside the reach of right field. He's going to get the ball. Ooh, and just misses the throw. Another base hit. Next batter. Pitch number 1. Ooh, that's a ball. Second pitch. Fastball. Pitcher knocks it down. Lands in the infield. Second base is going to get there. Make the throw to second for out number 1. Shortstop makes the throw back to first for out number 2. That's a double play. Retires the side, and that's the end of the first inning. Sons of Pitches trail the Untouchaballs 3-5. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And have a great day.